Hey, good day guys. Tatry natin si Gemini as our podcast interview host. Hey Gemini, good day. How are you? And are you ready to be our host for this podcast interview?
Good morning. I am doing wonderfully. Thank you for asking. And I am absolutely ready to kick off our podcast today. Welcome, listeners, to Future Proof Your Health. I'm thrilled to have our guest with us today to clear up the common confusion between HMOs and health insurance. Let's jump right in. Question one. To set the stage for our listeners, could you explain the primary focus or role of an HMO versus a health insurance policy based on the framework we are discussing today?
Okay, good question. Yung sinasabi namin na pinag-usapan namin framework, I call it actually a dynamic duo, meaning magkakambal at parehong essential. So, let's start with HMO. HMO, para yan sa mga doctor visits. Tawag doon outpatient or checkups, di ba? And then after ng mga checkups, may kailangan na labs or diagnosis na kailangan gawin. So, HMO talaga papasok yan. And even more, meron si HMO na preventive care benefit wherein andyan yung annual physical exam, andyan din yung mga executive checkup. So, HMO po ang makakatulong talaga dyan. What if it's an emergency care? So, kailangan magpa-ER, HMO din. What if gusto mo na magpa-dental checkup? Dental care ang tawag doon kay HMO. So, think of it, HMO is your daily health access benefit. We're in, dito na tayo sa next, which is the other pair, si health insurance. So, si health insurance naman, ang sasalo. What if it is a major critical illness? What if it's even a minor, like cancer, heart attack, kidney failure, etc.? 100 plus critical illnesses, may mga plans na ganun kaya ang covered nila. So think of it na si HMO for immediate and daily access. And we're in health insurance para yan sa mga bigger expenses or bigger cases. Kasi even outside the hospitalization, makakatulong yan yung health insurance. Pagka-claim mo, bibigay yung lump sum money. How much depende sa case, depende sa coverage. Yun ang bibigay na benefit sa'yo.
That was a brilliant explanation of the dynamic duo. You've clearly outlined the unique roles of each, showing how HMOs handle the everyday healthcare needs while health insurance provides essential protection from major health emergencies. Given the importance of both, let's explore how someone might structure their financial planning to ensure they have adequate access to both resources at different stages of life. What are your thoughts on how to prioritize these investments?
Good question. So when it comes to prioritization, if ikaw yung person na you think madalas ka nagkakasakit, madalas mong kakailanganin yung check-up, definitely HMO. But if you are that person that you think you're still healthy, you have a manageable lifestyle, I'm saying hindi pa rin talaga natin masabi, pero hindi ka madalas magkasakit, I think unahin mo yung health insurance mo kasi ang health insurance, pag bata ka pa, yan ay cheaper ang premium. Wherein HMO, fix ang mga entry pricing yan. Fix yan. Pero pag kasi health insurance, depende na yan sa age mo. So, both are essentials, pero depende yan sa goal mo, depende sa coverage, and depende sa budget. Kasi HMO, annual, tapos credit card installment, wherein health insurance, pwede rin naman yung annual, semi-annual, quarterly, or monthly. So, dyan papasok yung financial planning para yung kukuhanin natin na plans, whether HMO or health insurance or both, depende yan sa magiging cash flow mo. Okay? Kailangan talaga ng financial planning dyan.
Thank you so much for that brilliant financial breakdown. You've clearly highlighted how crucial it is to align these choices with your specific budget and cash flow, especially when you consider age and health status. As our final host note suggests, while both are essential, the decision often comes down to assessing whether your immediate needs, like checkups and labs, or long term financial protection for major illnesses is the higher priority for you right now. This has been a truly insightful conversation. To wrap things up, what final piece of advice would you give to our listeners as they begin their journey toward better health protection?
Okay, final advice ko is to get both. If hindi kaya ng both, dumaan tayo ng financial planning para makita natin kung ano unahin natin at ipaprioritize natin. I hope this is really helpful. Again, thank you Gemini for today. Thank you for all the listeners and until our next episode. Wow!